Breaking news out of Fort Pierce, where a police officer has been reassigned after a man under arrest died in his custody. Megan McRoberts has learned exclusively the Florida Department of Law Enforcement has taken over the investigation, and she went to Fort Pierce and has the breaking details.
Well, tonight I've learned exclusively that that man who died while in police custody is from Indiantown. I have also learned that the Martin County NAACP is looking into this, as well as contacting the NAACP here in St. Lucie County. Still not much information available, but the Fort Pierce Police Chief, Diane Hobley-Burney, telling me that that man was in the hospital at Lawnwood Regional Medical Center. From there, we know that medical staff, possibly a nurse, contacted police wanting to press charges against this man who is in the hospital. Police tell me then they came to pick up that man at some point, though, from being discharged from the hospital, put into the police car, taken away from the hospital. That officer had to return to give that man more medical attention. Here's what the chief said so far.
That person was discharged from the hospital. We took custody of the individual. They were medically cleared by the hospital. Unfortunately, while we had them in the backseat of the car, we were still in the back of the vehicle at the time. That person was having medical distress, and it's just an unfortunate situation, and that's the whole thing. It was very unfortunate, and our heart is saddened by this.
Chief Hobley-Burney could not give us a time frame for how long she expects this investigation to last or how long she expects that officer to be on reassignment. We have reached out to people who live in Indiantown. The community there is concerned, wanting more answers surrounding the circumstances of this death. We've also reached out to family of that man and the FDLE for a comment. In Fort Pierce, I'm Megan McRoberts, WPTV News Channel 5.